Who came outside last night to play the nice white stuff? Everybody was in the park and shit. Just having a good old time. And all the kids sliding down the hill in their sleds. Yeah, I figured I'd get do some video footage of the snow because a lot of you cats out there, well, y'all live at like Florida and shit like that. Y'all don't get no damn snow. You know what I mean? In Hawaii, LA. So I'm gonna show you cats the snow, yo. I want to thank all you cats for tuning in and watching yo crazy ass videos. Yeah, it really came down at night. The snow all over the goddamn place. All that white stuff. Yeah, when people walking, they taking their time when they walk. They don't want to slip and fall on this shit. You know, they want to bust their ass open. In the white stuff. Ooh, my hands is frozen, man. I can feel the goddamn bone in my damn skin. Now, how the hell am I supposed to get over this shit? How the hell am I supposed to get over this shit? Man, I ain't jumping over that shit. I got like a bad heart and shit. Not bad, not bad. How you doing, guys? Everybody got the shovels out, shoveling, trying to make that money. Money, 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 money. Honey. Check out here on White Plains Road, y'all. What do you know about White Plains Road? White Plains Road, yo. On the way back, we're gonna take a different route. That way you don't get to see things twice, guys. Pretty obvious do all this for you. Catch to see no snow this year. Well, Crazy out, he will give you an idea what it is to expect if it ever snows in your hometown.